This is the Wolfwise UPF 50 Plus, and it's a pop-up beach tent or sun shelter too. So this folds down into this bag and it only measures 20 inches by 20 inches. And it's very lightweight. It only weighs 3.8 pounds. It also comes with this carrying strap, and all we have to do is unzip it and it pops up into place. So check this out. Here it is. Okay, so all you have to do is undo the strap and then throw it. Here it goes. Woo! See how easy that was to pop up? Nice. So this is what the tent looks like. And it also has a window so you can go all the way through. How cool is that? It also has these mesh windows too for more ventilation. And as you can see, it has this area here so you can sit down on the outside or on the inside as well. When it's open all the way, it measures approximately 59 inches by 59 inches by 49 inches. And it also has this front porch area that measures 39 inches too. This pop-up tent is also made of polyester with a UPF of 50 plus, so it's gonna give you sun protection. You can use this at the beach, at the park, for picnics, even at music festivals, or for your kids to play in. It's also great to take along fishing with you to keep you away from the sun. They also give you this bag, which has ropes in it as well as stakes too, so you can hold it down so the wind's not gonna blow it away. It also has zippers on the inside and the outside too. This is even large enough for 2 people. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to put back together. All you have to do is fold it in just like this, like a triangle, and then you're going to lean this top part of the triangle inside. Just like that. And then you find the elastic and wrap it up. And then you put it into the bag. And just like that, it zips up all in one little bag. How easy was that? Definitely recommend this for your next outdoor event. I was sent this by Wolfwise to evaluate and I love it. And I think you will too. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.